because we mentioned the word rain, so obviously I thought of the 17 performance unit song Rain na bagay sa ulan. Lalo na't nung
Oo.
pino-perform nila yan ay may paulan of sorts.
My frustration about this song is that this song did not make as much rounds as it should
It
have.
didn't nga.
Bakit hindi siya naging as sikat as I wished it could be?
Diba? I think it's one of their best songs.
Yeah! This is our mission.
I think kailangan tayong sumulat.
Agree. 1, 2, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong! This is Monica!
What's up, everyone? This is Trancy.
Hello, my name is Pia and welcome to another episode of 1, 2, sarang! Heart to heart to!
Hi!
Ngayong mga panahon na parang biglaan na lang from the super duper init summer, bigla na lang naging yung ulan na parang bugso-bugso. Uulan bigla, tas mawawala, tas uulan na naman. So nakakalito sa mga hindi nagpapalabada kay Monica kung paano ba magsampay ng mga damit ang mga tao na nasa bahay. May question ako sa inyo. Meron ba kayong real life or kahit fantasy na rainy day K-drama moment? Tapos si Monica nakasmile.
Oo.
Meron. Parang yung smile niya parang may fondness.
Fondness talaga, hindi naman. Pero nakwento ko na to from probably season 1. Wow! So siguro naman by now, we have newer listeners. So ikukwento, I think pwede ko naman ikwento ulit.
Part of the
Oo naman.
Monica
Oo.
lore.
Lord,
Correct.
oh nga. So back then, I think I was in college or post-college. Basta, nung bata pa ako. At very, very active ang ate mo sa paglalayas. Paglalayas talaga. But anyway, I found myself in fully booked. And I remember that it was a rainy day. And hinihintay ko yung sundo ko. Kasi maulan. I decided not to commute. So I decided to text my tita. I think it was my tita na kung nasan ka, pwede ba akong sumabay pa uwi, ganun-ganon. Tapos true enough, I just needed to wait. So tambay muna ako sa fully booked in BGC. And I distinctly remember that I was wearing my raincoat na trench coat siya, tas pula. So,
Wow.
Ay, wow.
Paddington
Sobrang
Bear.
K-drama.
Napaka-K-drama talaga ng
Sobrang
itsura
goblin, girl.
Oh,
Sobrang
goblin
Kim
na. Ay,
Go-on
correct.
vibes. Ganon.
And I was browsing through the art books. Like, you know, doing my usual, checking things out, looking for inspiration for work and stuff like that. A guy approaches me and basically asks for my number. And like, I was so shocked.
Agad-agad?
Agad. And I was
Hi,
so
what's
shocked.
your number? Ganon?
Oo,
I was so
ganon.
shocked na parang, hi, I've been noticing you. And then, can I have your
Hi.
number? Para may ganon.
Ay, may ganon.
And then, I was so surprised. And I didn't think of this back then, but he was actually a Korean guy.
Nako.
Nako, 'di ba? So very K-drama talaga kasi
Hongdae
Koreano
guy.
po.
Joke.
Hindi
Do you
naman
live
Hongdae
alone?
guy.
Oo.
Hindi ko na maalala kung ano masyadong
May
itsura
iPhone
niya.
Pro Max
eh.
16 na ba siya nun?
Oo.
Pero medyo ilang ako kasi nung time na yun, naalala niyo yung time na parang ilang tayong lahat sa mga Koreano in the Philippines because they came out of
Yes.
nowhere and they felt like they
Correct.
were dominating the city
Yeah.
and alam mo yon. And so yun yung
And Fontana.
and Fontana.
And
So
Baguio as well.
And Baguio, correct.
Oo.
So it really felt like a why don't talk to me kind of thing. And feeling ko kung nangyari to sa akin ngayon, like now
Correct.
that I'm mulat na mulat ako sa mga poging Koreano, sobrang
Oo.
as in bas ganun yung reaction ko,
Sabi mo,
hindi yung suspicious. Ganun. Kasi suspicious talaga yung reaction ko. But anyway,
Hindi ka lang nagbigay
Anong
ng number,
pinagsususpecha?
nagsabi ka pa na I live alone.
Correct. Oo.
I live alone?
Pero bakit? Ano
sabihin
yung
mo?
suspicious ka about? Anong gagawin
well,
niya sa'yo?
more of because also he was very, yung approach na the way he said it, I really remember that it was very straight to the point na, I mean yun, walang pa-cute, walang whatever. And then naalala ko pa, parang he was trying to grab my hand and make me sit down.
Hala.
Diba sa second floor, nasa second floor yun ng BGC fully booked, diba? Diba? Tapos parang may seats dun sa balcony yung atrium area sa center. So para he was trying to make me sit down. Kasi I think I said para I'm not interested in giving my number. Pero he wouldn't take no for an answer. So he sat me down sa couch to insist na he wants to get my number. Parang ganon. So there was a lot of uncomfortable, whatever about it. And hindi ko na masyadong iniisip now. But maybe then, siguro dahil nga suspicion yung una kong thought. Hindi ko inintindi. Kasi, I mean, at least now, alam natin that Koreans have a different way of saying things, I guess. So, if I were interested, I could have analyzed it as, baka kasi hindi lang ako sanay. Kasi nga, iba yung culture, blah, blah, blah. Pero nung time na yun, automatic suspicion ako. Kasi nga, hindi maganda yung tunog or yung dating ng mga Koreans sa atin nung time na yun. So, I tried my very, very best to not give my number. And then, I think I gave a fake number. And then, my tita arrived and then I went home. So, end of story. Pero very K-drama pa rin yung moment kasi feeling ko yung pinaka-K-drama doon is dahil naka-red jacket ako. Naka-red, trench coat ako. Super.
At hindi yung point na Korean kasi siya.
Oo, hindi.
Yun.
It's the red
It's your
raincoat.
main character moment.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it was a rainy day.
Correct.
And it was one of those. And it's also, sobrang fantasy kaya yun. Yung nasa bookstore ka, tapos biglang may mag-approach sa'yo na lalaki. Diba? So,
correct.
That's my K-drama moment.
Ikaw, Trancy, meron ka bang rainy day K-drama moment?
I wouldn't say na parang K-drama moment siya. Parang rainy day, yes. May landian, I guess, yes. Pero parang mas Thunder 17 siya. Ganon.
Alo?
Parang mas alo. Oo, ganon.
Ano nangyari?
Hindi,
PG-13? Pwede ba i-share?
PG-13. Alam niyo guys, nung kasagsagan ng B-side, diba?
Wow.
So, every Sunday, it's Irie Sunday. And then, diba yung B-side parang open siya sa gitna Diba? And then, I remember, pag nandun ka, Thunder, alo, alam mo yun, Diamond Ring na lagok-lagok, ganon. So, parang umulan, you're dancing, and then there's a guy there that you kind of fancy. So, ano mo yun? Parang, I guess yung pinaka parang elevated moment along for me is the fact na it's music I like, and I'm dancing with a guy that I like. At that
Tapos
point.
basa kayo sa ulan?
Tapos
ganon?
basa kami sa ulan. Parang ganon.
Ah.
Pero, I mean, from what I can recall, tama, parang wala naman nangyari after Parang, alam mo yun, parang it was just a moment, but it was a moment of like being young and being free and
being wet in the rain.
being wet in the rain and not getting sick because your immune system is still strong because you haven't had COVID yet. So yun.
Those were the days.
Ikaw,
Sa akin,
Pia.
actually, medyo recent to. Parang, kwento ko to sa inyo, tas parang kayong dalawa, K-drama moment! But anyway, what happened was, I went to my daughter's school, so nakakasira na kagad ng vibe, Kung natanggal yung part na may daughter at may asawa, K-drama moment sana siya. But anyway, so I parked at the mall across the school and I had to cross para makapunta sa school niya. And then, when I was going back na to the mall, it started raining, as in biglaan. Tapos nun, habang umuulan, ako naman, parang kebs, kasi it's just like, literally just cross the street.
Yeah.
Tapos habang naglalakad ako, patawid na ako, may lumapit sa akin lalaki, tapos binibigyan na niya ako ng payong. Tapos parang hiyang-hiya na lang ako na parang, no, it's okay, thank you. Tapos tinakbo ko na lang. Hindi naman siya nag-effort maglandi. Literally, feeling ko concerned. Basta itong babaeng to.
Mas yun.
More of concern than
Concerned
landi.
citizen.
Oo.
Tanod pala siya, Mi.
Nag-rounds ang barangay tanod, naghahanap ng mga basang babae.
Correct.
Pero yeah, like this rainy season, as in, iba yung feels na nadadala, madaming kilig. Pero for me, personally, nothing beats just really snuggling under covers kasi ito na yung pinaka, I guess, reason para maganon tayo kasi we only have like wet and dry season anyway.
Correct.
At dahil dyan, sasakayan natin itong mood na to ng pag-ulan. At kung umuulan habang nakikinig kayo or nanonood sa amin, well, you guys are in luck because for this episode, we will be recommending K-dramas, songs, and other things that we want you to enjoy while it's a rainy day. So, uumpisahan muna natin yan with K-dramas dahil alam naman natin very iconic ang daming mga K-dramas na yung mga romance, mga ganyan nangyayari kapag maulan. So,
yes.
umpisahan na natin with the K-dramas starting with Trency. Anong recommended mong K-drama kapag maulan?
Marami actually pumasok in mind eh. Top of mind actually for me was Little Forest. Because I really like yung parang showcase of food. But I wanted to focus on another one that is more recent na parang na-discover ko din na parang, alam mo, perfect talaga siya for a rainy day. Because it has that similar vibe to it. And this show is called Tastefully Yours, which is on Netflix. It stars Kang Hanul and Go Min-shi. So basically, Go Min-shi is a fantastic chef, but she finds herself in a little countryside in Jeonju. Jeonju ba? Tama ba? In Korea. And she has this little restaurant where she's trying to cook food that she wants to cook. And si Kang Hanul naman is this son of a CEO of a food empire who comes and tries to get her recipes kasi ang galing niya magluto clandestinely. Clandestinely! Pero eventually na in love siya kay Go Min-shi and her way of life, parang ganun. But when you said kasi na parang perfect for the rainy weather, parang automatic kasi for me, parang I want to watch something na it's easy to watch, number one. It's easy to watch while you're lying down.
Yeah.
While you're lying down. Kailangan talaga nakahiga ka.
Under covers.
And
ganyan.
parang, and like, ano siya, parang kahit na kalmado lang siya na show, parang may visual appeal siya, alam mo yun. And yung visual appeal ng show na to for me is really how they showcase the food. Ang saya-saya niyang panoorin kasi parang, yes, we have the love story and sobrang ano din siya, comforting. Kang Hanul talaga, minsan talaga medyo...
Alam mo, sakto siya sa mga type mo.
Alam mo, oo.
Pasok siya. As in, pasok
Mga
siya sa
tanga.
mga type mo.
Shit! Pasok
Hindi,
nga
golden
siya.
retriever energy.
Correct.
Yes.
Golden retriever energy na galing Kanto. Alam mo, honestly, hindi ko masyadong...
Aspin.
Aspin, gano'n. No, na nalahian, ganyan. Tapos nun,
Oo.
hindi ko talaga maano sa utak ko na anak siya ng CEO. No, nagawa niya nung start eh. Parang may vibe siyang, anak ako ng CEO. Tapos parang towards like the third episode, parang, tangina, sa Kanto ka lang natira eh. Alam mo yun.
Adopted ka eh.
Adopted ka eh. Mukha kang nagliliga every summer, ganun. Or pag umuulan, tapos baha, nilulusob mo. Mukha siyang nanlulusob ng baha. Yun lang basically. So anyway, so ang ganda. Ang comforting nung show kasi parang it's just light and like the actors are really great. They have great chemistry. But it's really how they showcase the food. Para ang ganda kasi parang they show kung paano piniprepare. So parang when I said nga para siyang Little Forest, meron din siyang mga ganong scenes na pinapakita niya. And like, pag malamig, tapos parang, alam mo yun, maulan, narinig mo yung ulan sa labas. Parang yun yung gusto mong makita. Parang nabubusog yung tenga mo at yung chan mo. At yung chan mo through your eyes. Parang ganun. So that's why I chose this show. Tastefully Yours. I love
It's
it.
still ongoing, right? What episode is
Yes,
it now?
it's actually finished na. 10 episodes lang siya. So hindi ko pa siya
tapos na.
tapos. Yeah, oo. Parang I'm on the 7th episode. Oh, and to add actually, parang nung pinag-usapan natin na this is the episode that we're gonna have na it's about, rainy day recos. Sakto pinanood ko siya ulit. And yung naabutan ko na episode is yung episode na nag-Japan sila. So, nasa Sapporo sila. So, it was like snowing. As in talagang blanketed ang Sapporo ng snow doon. Tapos, ang lamig lang tingnan. Tapos, malamig pa sa labas. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
So parang like, ang sarap lang panoorin ng gano'n. Parang imagine mo na lang na nagsusnow din sa Pilipinas. Oo, with that coldness.
Na yun yung tunog sa labas, yung tak-tak ng ulan. Snow yun, snow, ganyan.
Yes, oo. So yun. So that's why it's something I would recommend. And it's still on Netflix. So panoorin nyo guys. Nakakatuwa siya.
I actually watched like the first episode, hindi, medyo nasa start pa lang ako ng second episode. May ano kasi si Kang Hanul may look siya na parang ang hirap seryosohin. So parang nalilito ako, is this a comedy? Or is this a serious? Kasi pagpasok ni Go Min-shi, seryoso Parang
Oo
ganun.
nga Totoo.
Nalilito ako sa timpla niya. But I guess like
Oo.
it kind of picked up
Correct.
by the end of the episode. So it's interesting to me
Yes.
as
oo.
well.
Oo. Tama ka. As in.
Yung mga golden retriever energy ng mga type mo.
Correct. oo.
Kitang-kita ko yun. Ikaw, Monica, ano namang reco mo for K-dramas kapag maulan?
My reco is a K-drama that was released way back. At naalala ko, pinanood ko to nung umuulan. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nakatatak siya. Sa alam ko, nasa condo pa ako noon. So, medyo humahampas yung ulan sa windows. Alam mo yon. Kaya hindi ko siya
Baka bagyo.
makakalimutan.
Joke lang.
Hindi naman bagyo. Pero
Joke
basta
lang.
malakas siya. Malakas na klaseng ulan. So, pinapanood ko siya. And the show is called Navillera. So, I don't know if you guys
Starring
watched
Song
it.
Kang-ho. I did.
Song Kang. Song
I know.
Kang.
Song
Sure
Kang.
ka.
Kang.
Not final answer.
Oo. I mean, I would love to imagine Song Kang-ho as a ballerina.
Right? But anyway, so Navillera, it's actually a webtoon and that they turned into a show released by Netflix and Studio Dragon, our favorite, in 2021. And it stars Song Kang nga and Park In-won. So, if you guys don't know about this show, si Song Kang ay isang ballerino who ends up teaching an older gentleman played by Park In-won nga. He's 70, I think he was 70 years old when he did that show, when he shot that show. Tas basically yung character ni, pangalan niyo ulit, Park In-won. Naging dream niya maging dancer, maging performer when he was younger, but never had an opportunity to, pursue that dream because of poverty, because of, the usual circumstance. So, dahil nandun na siya sa end of life, parang kaka-retire niya lang, if I remember correctly, kaka-retire niya lang as a mailman. He wanted to follow his dreams, basically. And like usual, syempre yung family niya, they were against it kasi kesyo matanda ka na, you just might hurt yourself, stuff like that. Pero pursige siya
Very
kasi
valid concerns.
Very valid concern. Pero she just
Pirouette.
he just didn't
Grand
want,
jeté.
I guess he didn't want to leave this world without ever taking that, thing on his list of trying to perform. So he goes to an academy and then that's where he meets Song Kang's character. Si Song Kang naman, yung kwento niya ay so ballerino nga siya pero nagsistruggle. Parang wala siya sa focus, uninspired, ganon. Tapos, inassign siya to teach the old man. And at first, he was so frustrated kasi parang gulong-gulo na nga siya sa buhay niya. Tapos, magbe-babysit pa siya ng matanda. Parang ganon. But eventually, he found the beauty in teaching an older person. He was able to see kung ano yung hangganan, I guess, ng passion, ng life in general. And it made me realize things about himself and how he wants to pursue like his craft, his career, his life, and things like that. Medyo sad yung ending lang kasi again, since we're dealing with an older character, things, it's not happy basically because things have to end, life has to end. Although in his case, he got sick, kaya he wasn't able to continue his performance lessons, but he was able to perform something. So there was this beautiful sequence when the two actually do a duet performance. And it was so beautiful. And I remember watching this show, hindi siya necessarily pang ulan, pero hindi. Sorry, backtrack. Para siyang it's the kind of thing that you watch kung gusto mo mag-isip habang umuulan. I mean, about life. About, parang like a little bit contemplative kind of mood. If that's what you wanna feel on a rainy day, I really recommend this show because ayun nga, parang it makes you feel those things. And maybe makakatulong sa pag-reflect ng sarili mong buhay. And at the same time, really see some really, really beautiful performance by Song Kang. Honestly, I think this is one of Song Kang's best.
Me too, agree.
Diba?
Yes.
I remember reading that he trained for months to become a dancer for this. I'm not a ballerina, so I don't know kung perfect nga ba yung lines niya or whatever, yung form. But I was convinced, alam mo yun. Tapos, di ba, napakatangkad pa niya, tapos ang ganda ng katawan ni Song Kang. So, parang every time he does like those ballet movements and forms, parang, damn, like, hindi man damn, you're so fine. Pero more of damn, that's beautiful. As in, parang siyang art, alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like, you're appreciating the dance form as an art kind of thing. He did a really, really good job in showcasing it. So, ayun, that's my reco. That's Navillera. So I hope you guys catch it if you guys haven't yet.
Yeah, I remember, actually, parang after ng Nevertheless, kaya ako to pinanood. Parang na-addict ako kay Song Kang.
Ako rin. Alam mo, feeling ko parang medyo may ganong line up din
But
ako.
this was before Nevertheless.
This was before.
Pa. So parang ito nga yung nakita ko yung side niya na parang, okay. Tapos nagkaroon ng My Demon. Ha! Charot.
I liked him in My Demon. Because he's so stupid.
Not a fan of it.
I like it.
But yeah, super agree also with Navillera. And I get the muni-muni part of it. That's perfect kapag umuulan. Actually, dun din papunta yung recommendation ko. Originally, I was gonna go with Something in the Rain, but I thought you were gonna go with it also. But, okay, just throwing it out there. Pero kasi, Something in the Rain for me is one of those classics na
It
talagang,
is. It
I
really
don't know.
is.
I think there's a reason why it's a cliche or people always mention it. So, still worth mentioning kung kailangan nyo ng kilig na sumisipa-sipa.
Ng
Yun.
bonggang sipa.
Correct.
Jesus.
Pero for me, in terms of K-dramas na naisip ko because of Rain, and actually kind of same grain of thought ng pinupunta ni Monica, more of like very contemplative. Kasi kapag umuulan, I guess, kapag tumatanda ka na, ang dami na rin, parang masyado madami ng thoughts, ang dami mong ganyan, na parang ang sarap lang din minsan mag-muni-muni kapag umuulan. So, my recommendation is My Mister. So, this is an old K-drama, and it's starring IU and the late Lee Sun-kyun. So, yung story lang ng My Mister is basically yung role ni IU tsaka yung role ni Sun-kyun. So, IU is 20 years old, si Sun-kyun is much older. Much older, 40. Ka-age na.
No!
Malapit na pumunta dun. Pero parang, they're in different stages of their life, but both of them are struggling in different ways. Si IU was struggling with poverty and being accepted in the office where she was working. And si Sun-kyun naman, parang he was faced with different struggles at work, getting promoted, seeing other people living better lives than he is when he was supposed to be the one who is already like on top of everything. Pero yung mga kaibigan niya na dating parang patapon lang, ngayon mayaman na, pero siya nandito lang. Pero he has to be an upright man, parang ganon. So the two of them form like a very weird kind of friendship. Weird because hindi naman sila dapat magiging magkaibigan, but just by chance, naging friends sila, and they kind of help each other navigate this very challenging life that they're facing. And sobrang gustong-gusto ko lang tong My Mister because I guess sometimes misery loves company. Kailangan mo lang din maalala na a lot of people, actually everybody has their own struggle. It doesn't matter na nakita mo yung boss mo is doing fine. You don't know what that person is struggling with. And kung ikaw din. So parang ang ganda lang din nung and sometimes wala. It's just relationships. Whatever kind of relationship. It could be friendship. It could be romantic. But those are the things that could help you just go through. And power through. Hay, ang daming mga thoughts dahil sa ulan. Buti na lang hindi umuulan habang nag-record tayo.
Buti naman.
Ay, sa amin medyo may onting patak-patak. Sa
Meron
malayo.
Oo.
But yeah, so those are our K-drama recos sa mga sarang base na nakanood na nito or meron din kayong mga K-dramas na gustong-gustong pinapanood. Kapag maulan, let us know. Please put it on the comments or DM us. Let's talk about it kasi sobrang perfect. Matagal-tagal pa tong rainy season. Mga hanggang
Correct.
October, November pa yan maglalast. So,
Correct.
i-enjoy natin yan. Yes. And syempre, from K-drama, eto naman, ang sarap din na makinig ng music kapag umuulan na ganito. Ang sarap ng minsan meron ka lang soundtrack na ganyan, kasabay ng pagpatak ng ulan. So ngayon, gusto ko naman malaman ang inyong mga favorite or mga gustong i-recommend na songs kapag umuulan. I'll start.
Mm.
So actually, ang dami ko ring mga iniisip na mga songs na sige, gawan na lang natin ng playlist actually. Kasi para idagdag din natin yung mga hindi natin mapag-uusapan for this episode.
Yes.
Pero top of mind talaga because I remember the first time I heard this song, pandemic nun, pero may ulan din. So parang naging perfection lang yung buong pagkakasama ng lahat ng bagay nung napanood ko yung MV nitong song na to. And the song that I recommend for rainy days na sarap-sarap pakinggan at pagmuni-munihan ay ang Bittersweet ni Mingyu tsaka ni Wonu. Ang perfect pa nung MV kasi umuulan, di ba?
Umuulan yung
At
MV.
inaasar nila,
Yeah.
yung asar nila na takbo ni Wonu na ganon. Dun yun. Like, even if they always make fun of it, like, if you just listen to the song, especially kunwari if you're driving through the rain, ang sarap lang niya i-vibe, gumagan, tin, 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 tin. Tapos gano'n. I really love this song. And I miss you, Wonu. Sana okay ka lang. Visit ka naman minsan. Huwag na ever mawawala. Parang si Yoongi, ilang araw na lang. Sana makita namin siya ulit.
Correct.
Kayo, ano naman ang inyong mga rainy day song reco? Ikaw, Trancy.
Me. Actually, ako, it's not really like song reco. It's more like an artist reco. Kasi parang you were mentioning na nga contemplative, yun yung vibe natin pag umuulan, 'di ba? You become a little bit more parang introspective, ganun. So, whenever I'm feeling like that, or I want to kind of like chill out, like really be more grounded, alam mo yun, parang I always listen to D.O. Parang like, sobrang favorite ko talaga siya pagdating sa ganyan. As in like, I super, super duper love his voice. I'm so sorry, DK. Pero alam mo, ano talaga, as in competition mo siya in terms of best voice. For me, ang sarap niya pakinggan.
agree. Yeah.
Oo. At saka shoutout to rin pala kay Mayor Vico Soto. Yes! Favorite singer po kita, Char. Pero sobra, as in, I super duper duper love his voice and his style. Parang like, all three albums of his, they kind of like have the same vibe. Alam mo yun, more on the acoustic ba? Not acoustic. Di ko alam kung specific genre. Pero like, it utilize like a lot of guitar.
Yeah,
and
parang medyo unplugged yung feels.
unplugged, exactly, yes, correct. Unplugged yung feels kasi gusto mo mapakinggan yung boses niya.
Correct.
Yung boses niya yung parang pinaka-sentro nito at ang sarap lang pakinggan. It kind of like suits you and caresses you. Kaya,
Which one is your favorite?
I have a lot. Wait, let me pull out my list. Talaga, may trusty, pad paper. Okay, so, for the first album, so yung first album niya, favorite ko actually, of all the three na mini albums niya, ang pinaka-favorite ko actually is Expectation. Kasi nandito yung mga favorite songs ko. So, yung favorite song ko, number 1 is The View. So, I feel like this album is really like more feels, mas parang focus siya on love, ganon. So, I super duper love that song. Kasi, imagine, umuulan, may jowa ka, tapos sasabihin niya sa'yo na parang, you are the view. Alam mo yon, ikaw yung view ng buhay ko. Alam mo yon. So, parang like, nakaka-touch, ganyan.
Correct.
Tapos, tapos yung second song na favorite ko din doon, it's Somebody. Para yun. So, as in, pang ganun din, pang feels, pang kahug. Alam mo yun, parang masarap na may ganyang background music, tapos
Correct.
meron kang kahug, parang ganun. And then, yung mas contemplative naman niya na album, it's Empathy, which is the first one. Parang, andito yung medyo mas malalalim na songs niya. I feel like, meron siyang song dito, it's called Dad. Every time I listen to it, parang medyo natiteary-eye ako. And I really, really love that. Mas acoustic, ganyan. So, imagine ko pag pinapakinggan ko siya, parang, ito yung pinapakinggan mo pag sobrang lakas yung ulan. Alam mo yon. So, parang like,
Magwo-walling ka.
Magwo-walling ka. Or nasa labas ka mismo. Nag-walling ka habang nasa labas.
Oo. Tapos mahanap ka ng tanod para bigyan ka ng panin.
Ma'am! Ano ka ba nandyan? Kinuplain ka ng mga kapitbahay. Walling ka ng walling. O, parang ganun nga. Oo. Pag maraming kang
Ni Mayor
pinagdadaanan.
Vico mismo yung makahanap sa'yo.
Mayor Vico mismo.
Si Mayor Vico, malibig papayong.
Oo,
diba?
girl, hindi lang payong ibibigay niya sa'yo. Bibigyan ka niyang tent na may pangalan niya.
Correct.
Hindi, walang
to be
pangalan
fair,
niya.
hindi siya
Ay,
ganun.
correct.
Walang
Hindi.
pangalan, nakalagay lang
Wala,
pass.
wala. Kailangan passing. Correct. Tapat. Doon tayo.
To be fair talaga kay Dio, very effortless kasi siya kumanta.
Girl,
Talagang parang binuksan lang niya yung bibig niya, lumabas na yung
Oo.
boses. Tas ang ganda.
As ang ganda.
Madalas nakaupo lang, tas yun nga, yung mukhang uwing-uwi na yung mukha niya. Pero kumakanta siya.
Kumakanta siya.
And he really
Masarap.
brings out, like, I love it when he's in a duet with other singers. Kasi I think nasabi ko na to before, parang his voice has a way of enhancing the other singer's voice. Or, basta magaling siyang magtimpla for his co-singer. And I think it's perfect. Like, without even, kahit na, kunwari, sometimes na-notice ko, he kind of tones it down for the other.
Oo.
Pero labas na labas pa rin yung galing ng boses niya. Parang gano'n.
Correct.
So,
Parang yung-
ang galing, ang generous. I think that's the word. Ang generous
Ang
ng
ganda.
dating.
Yung duet nila ni Akmu, yung yung
yeah.
Suyon. Sobrang as in
Yes.
nakaka-addict yung duet
My
na yun.
God.
Ang sarap yung pakinggan over
Kasi si
and
Suyon
over
din,
again.
grabe din yung vocals.
Yun
niya.
nga. Sobra din
Hayop.
naman yun.
But yeah, sobrang perfect. Kasama din actually si Dio sa parang may playlist yung husband ko ng parang Korean 105.1. Something like that. Parang may ganun siya.
Please share!
Sige, share ko yan kung ano yung mga vibe niya kapag mga slow driving, ganyan.
Oo.
Yung mga masarap pakinggan. Ikaw, Mon, ano naman ang iyong song reco kapag umuulan?
Hindi song, like Trency, I think it's a general bunch. It's a list. Ang daya kasi but gusto ko lang din i-mention, I was debating whether I should mention IU or this bunch of people. Bunch of people talaga.
Bunch of lunch.
Because IU has a lot of great songs, mga mellow, mga ballad
Oo,
na
mga jazzy.
Pang
pang
101.5
jazzy,
din
muni-muni.
Oo.
101.5 siya. Like Niece, ending song, mga love poem, ganon. Parang siya.
Correct.
Yung pang tipo nakadungaw ka sa
Ivy.
bintana tapos nakatingin ka
Yes.
lang
Correct.
contemplating. That kind of song.
Yes.
But I decided to go for this bunch of people that we love.
Tawag group? Unit?
Okay. This unit. Oh. And because we mentioned the word rain, so obviously I thought of the 17 performance unit song Rain na bagay sa ulan. Lalo na't nung
Oo.
pino-perform nila yan ay may paulan of sorts.
Correct.
And then thinking about it, when I thought, I should mention Rain ng performance unit. And then napaisip ako, alam mo, lahat ata ng kanta nila pang-ulan. Whether gusto mong gumigiling or alam mo yun, nagko-contemplate or something. Kasi as in nung nilista ko siya, at least ako, pang-ulan siya. Kasi you have like,
Oo.
so you have rain, you have
Pati pang?
spell.
Pang.
Except
Oo,
for pang.
Pang bagay.
Pang.
Para siyang, para kang gusto mong maligo sa ulan.
Ah.
Pang,
Sige, fine.
Pang.
As kumbaga going
Pwede
back to your
naman.
childhood, kind of like rain, ganon.
Oh, or
That
tayo, nung college tayo, di ba, naligo tayo sa ulan.
Correct, totoo yan. Back in the day.
Pero diba,
Hindi ka
ayun, you have like spell, wave, moonwalker, I do believe. Parang napaka, niya, I don't know, sexy time kind of rain kind of thing.
Yun pala yung gusto mo. Okay,
Hindi
noted.
naman, napaisip lang. Tapos, pero kung gusto mong medyo on the mellow side, they have 24/7. If you feel like you wanna dance to things, you have Lili Yabay.
Yabay.
Diba? And then you also have Swimming Pool, Highlight.
Oh.
Siguro yung back-to-back lang yung hindi ko ma-place kasi hindi ko talaga masyadong bet yung song na yun. I'm so sorry. Pero diba, parang yung vibe nila,
Yeah.
pang-ulan. As in,
Gets.
In its many
Parang-
different forms.
in its many different forms, yes.
Dun sa mga minention mo, ano dun yung bagay sa isang bagyo?
I do believe. Hindi.
Yung bagyo na malakas yung
Malakas yung hangin,
yung
ganon.
ng mga puno,
Oo,
ganyan.
ganon.
Okay.
Diba?
Ting,
Oo.
ting, ting, ting.
Yung
But you know what?
Oo.
Ay, sorry, but when you mentioned kasi Rain, you know, my frustration about this song is that this song did not make as much rounds as it should have.
It didn't
Parang
nga.
ang bitin niya sa, di ba parang isang tour, lumabas siya. Pero sa Karatland, hindi naman siya na parody. Stick sila sa
Correct.
album.
Correct.
I mean, I love I Do Believe. It deserves also the rain that it had. Pero yung rain, parang bakit hindi siya naging as sikat as I wished it could be?
Diba? I think it's one of their
This
best
is our
songs.
mission. Yeah!
It's
I
one
think
of their
kailangan
best
tayong
songs
sumulat.
ever.
Agree.
Nararapat.
So, kung i-convince mo yung mga taong hindi nakikinig nun ngayon, anong sasabihin mo para pakinggan nila yung rain and make it trend and pumasok sa top 10, ganyan.
Anong sasabihin ko? Kuha ko yun ng tabo. Tapos, tabo talaga. Ayun lang. So, Rain, do check it out if you feel like Janet Jacksoning or giling-giling. Yeah, because diba,
Yes.
we said that it feels like a Janet Jackson song.
Exactly.
Like, and you just want to vibe. I think Rain is perfect. No one should sleep on it. Like, it's so
Exactly.
great. It's better than
Yes.
freaking Spell. Forget about Spell, okay?
I love
mean,
Spell though.
I like the
But
ooh,
Rain too.
yeah, and all that, except for the music video. We love Spell. I just don't like the music video.
Exactly.
But
Agree
like-
I
naman.
agree with that.
But because the music video for me was so questionable, medyo nagbumaba yung points niya eh. Kaya angat si
Oo.
Rain,
Oo.
parang gano'n.
Oo.
So,
Super agree.
sorry, may criteria ako sa mga ganyan. So, please, Rain, do some more rounds. I don't know. Like,
Correct.
sana nandun pa rin siya. Sana like sa paparating na tour, magkaka-performance units pa. Ay, magkaka-unit.
Parang wala ng
performances
units.
pa
Kasi sabi nila in 3 months or something,
What do you
mag-enlist na si Hoshi tsaka si Woozy. So,
In 3 months.
parang something like that yung last na chismis na nakita ko.
Lapit na.
But yeah,
pa naman.
Rain, hindi kasi meron na silang tour pa na silang dalawa, send-off na nila yun, di
Oo
ba?
nga.
Ng
No,
whole-
I mean kung kunwari wala na sila sa tour as a group. So, performance unit, you still have How and June and Dino who can still perform it. The
na
songs.
parang nung wala si
Kailangan
June,
talaga
silang tatlo
ipilit
lang.
natin.
Kaya nga, pero kasi
Kailangan mangyari.
kulang-kulang na eh. Vocal unit,
Oo.
ilan na lang din sila. But anyway,
Correct.
yeah.
Baka
we
may pwedeng
wish-
sumalo.
Akala ko sabi mo, baka ako pwedeng sumalo.
Pwede rin naman ako sumalo. Pwede rin naman. Kaya nga,
Bigla na
tinanong
lang
ko
biritera
ngayon eh.
pala.
Kasi kunwari parang nabasa ako ng ulan. Yun naman yung rain.
Okay, we will be making a playlist of this at dahil dyan, kailangan ninyong ipatrend ang Rain because it deserves so much more love than it got. Parang sobrang nabitin ako sa excitement para sa Rain.
Correct.
Please, let's make it happen. And then finally, syempre, aside from K-dramas and songs, madami pa kaming ibang mga bagay na sobrang love about Hallyu and na gusto rin namin i-recommend kapag ganitong maulan. So, ngayon naman, ito naman, parang kahit anong gusto nyong i-reco kapag umuulan. Let's start with you again, Monica.
Okay, so this on a personal note, this has become a thing in our house. Na the moment it feels like rain, tatakbo na yung sister ko sa isang Korean grocery to buy ingredients for kimchi jjigae. Because it's so perfect. I mean, and there's something about making jjigae na relaxing. I mean, hindi naman sa hindi relaxing ang pagluto ng sinigang. Pero parang may fun. Ako, personally, yung favorite part ko in jjigae is when you slice up the ingredients na pampaganda. Pero part din ng pampalasa. Pero yung mga pampaganda. So, I like cutting up the mushrooms, the ones with the star thingy on top. Yung parang may star cut up
Oo,
sa
sa taas ng
taas. I
top.
like
Oo.
cutting up the tofu. Parang there's like a precision in cutting up a block of tofu na dapat pare-pareho yung thickness and size para pag ilatag mo siya
Mukhang baraha.
na pabilog, na parang baraha,
Oo.
pasok siya sa visual na ini-imagine mo, parang ganon.
Oo.
There's something about cutting up the scallions, the the green onions. When you cook the broth, like I cut it up na medyo on the bigger side, pero as garnish, I like cutting them up na as yung parang bilog na. So,
Yeah.
smaller, parang ganon.
Pero
So,
kasama yung white part, songkwan, kasama ko
yes,
yung white part.
dapat kasama. Kasi nandun ang lasa, in theory.
Oo.
Nandun ang lasa.
Exactly.
And also, the other mushroom, the enoki. Diba? There's something about preparing jjigae that's so relaxing and creative. I think that's probably my favorite part kasi for some dishes na rainy day staple, it's really a bunch of like, put everything together, let it boil, simmer, and then it's done. Ito, parang meron siyang presentation. Parang it's not jjigae without that kind of presentation in your bowl. And here in our house, we look forward to making that. Sometimes we make it together. Sometimes nag-uutos lang kami, okay, ikaw naman, Max. Or ako naman, ganon. And I think we have to keep on making it kasi one time, I asked Max to buy pepper, yung ground pepper.
Good.
Tapos sabi niya, ate, wala akong mahanap na maliit na pack. Sabi ko, sige, get the next size na lang. And then she fucking bought it.
Oh my
So,
God!
hanggang ngayon, kasi
Restaurant?
Yung pang restaurant.
Oo.
So, parang,
As in black pepper powder?
no, the red one.
Gochugaru?
Oo. Yeah. So, you have like this massive, and then I freaked out kasi,
Pahingi! Kailangan ko
gusto mo? Sige. Hanggang ngayon ang dami pa niya. And then, so umabot sa point kasi naalala ko, at first nagalit ako sa kanya kasi ang laki naman ng binili mo kasi naalala ko na nagkaroon ako ng incident na bumili ako, smaller pack lang, pero nagka-mold siya kasi it's also hard to make sure na walang moisture. So, having a big pack, parang extra, holy shit, I don't want to waste all this. So,
Yeah.
bumili pa kami ng store ni Tori. Hi, ang ganda kasi ng mga nila eh. Yung mga
Containers?
airtight containers. We had to repack it just to make sure na hindi siya ma-waste kasi sayang eh.
Oo.
Pero gano'n kami ka-committed now kasi ang dami naming pepper.
Pero girl, pwede ka nang mag-kimchi.
Yeah.
Gumawa ka na ng kimchi
gumawa ka
mismo.
na. I think it's
Nisip ko
time.
na naman
It's a
yun.
sign.
Maybe now that
Para
I'm done
magamit
with
mo
my
na siya.
film, maybe I have
Yeah.
I can actually pursue that. I think I'll do that. Okay.
Go.
So yeah.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap nga ng kimchi jjigae.
Kimchi
Pero,
jjigae.
hindi ko siya pinipresentation like Monica. Parang, more of like the usual sabaw. I imagine it kapag umuulan din talaga.
Oo.
Tapos lagyan mo din ng konting ng ramyun. Ay, sarap.
Yum.
Pagkain na
Super.
naman.
Correct.
Ako, I super love it with dapat may rice. Kailangan
Yes.
may kanin.
Oo.
Kailangan talaga may kanin. Kasi kung
Hindi
walang
siya-
kanin, talagang
Tapos yung
bitin.
yung beef pa, we put beef,
Mm-mm.
ano po pa yon, slow cook, either slow cook or pressure
Mm.
cooker para sobrang, super duper
Ako,
duper lambot ng meat.
I've never tried beef. I usually use pork.
Ako rin,
Parang
pork din ng
oo.
kimchi jjigae.
Always
I haven't
beef.
tried as well yung tuna na kimchi jjigae.
Ay, gusto ko rin
Parang-
tuna. I really like
Hindi ko
that
pa
too.
natatry.
Oo.
Parang in my head, hindi ko siya ma-reconcile pa. Baka dumating din ako dyan someday.
Mm-mm.
Ako naman, for this, any part ng mga recommendations. So, we're coming from food. Ako, pupunta naman ako sa, syempre, kung ano bang mahal ko. K-variety, specifically, mga dating show. At ang sobrang favorite ko kapag umuulan. Dahil naalala ko lang din ngayon na umuulan din nung na-discover ko siya for the first time. Yung dating show na Transit Love / Exchange. As in, favorite ko kapag yung, na-mention ko na yun to before, kapag pumupunta sila ng Jeju. And usually kasi pag pumupunta na sila ng Jeju, laging maulan doon. So, mas intense yung away-away ng mga mag-ex, tapos yung mga landian ng mga gustong magjowa, or yung landian ng gusto mong kunin yung boyfriend ng whoever. As in, isa to sa mga sobrang favorite kong panoorin pag ulan kasi sobrang sakto siya ng balance ng kilig and ng inis and ng confusion. Parang lahat na lang ng klase ng emotions may feel mo dito. It's actually also been quite controversial lately because the winner of Devil's Plan, spoiler alert! Kung gusto niyo manood ng Devil's Plan, spoiler, pero I think it's out there. Yung nanalo sa Devil's Plan is one of those who was like shown as like the super savior type dun sa Exchange 2 na favorite season ko ever. Kaka-rewatch ko lang din recently. Pero yun, parang hindi maganda kasi yung feedback sa kanya sa Devil's Plan. But yeah, so mga gustong ma-in love at kiligin, manood kayo ng Transit Love. And I think palabas na ang season 4 soon, usually daw September, October. So meron pa rin konting ulan yan para mapanood ninyo. Hindi ko kayong dalawa kasi mako-convince manood nito kasi nga nahabaan kayo eh. Pero ako okay lang. 2 hours to 3 hours.
Oh my God, one
Ang haba.
episode!
Yeah.
Holy shit! Ang haba
Ganun
nun.
siya. As in, na-shock ako minsan kasi parang di nanonood ako. Tapos parang, I'm enjoying it. As in, super enjoy. Pero sabi ko, teka lang, parang nagugutom na ako. It's time to eat. But why am I still watching? So pag-check ko, oh my God, ilang oras na ako nanonood? Isang episode pa lang to. But okay, let's go with it.
Haba.
Oo, meron
Pero okay siya
silang
for
2.5, 3 hours.
Kung walang pasok, ganun.
Correct.
Wala kang plans, di ba? You
Yeah,
have
yeah.
prior plans, sa bahay ka lang. So, you have a lot of time to kill.
Gusto
So,
nyo lang
perfect
makachismis
siya.
sa buhay na ibang tao.
Correct.
Gusto nyong malaman kung bakit si Yoon-gyu ay love na love sa Transit Love 2. Sa mga nanood nun, pag-usapan natin, kasi sobrang love na love ko talaga yung episode na yun. At nirewatch ko recently dahil sa Devil's Plan. Isa ako sa team na hindi nainis sa kanya sa Devil's Plan. Maybe another controversial take sa mga sarang base na nanood ng Devil's Plan 2. Pag-usapan din natin, anong iniisip ninyo sa pagkapanalo ni Hyun-gyu? Let's talk. Okay, ikaw naman, Trency, what is your recommendation?
Yan. Ang recommendation ko, this one is very close to our hearts. And twofold. Kasi dalawang, seasons, kumbaga. And I chose this, as in ito yung one of the first din pumasok sa utak ko. Because yung pinakaunang visual ko talaga is a leaf na may tumutulong parang dew. Parang may ganun. Parang may ganung visual dun sa 2, I think. Sa 2 ba? So, itong gusto kong panoorin during colder weather. Actually, in any weather naman, pero parang specific to colder weather. Mas masaya siya. Parang, is In the Soup. So, with BTS and 17. So, as I mentioned earlier, parang like, ako kasi gusto ko pag ganyan maulan. Parang I just wanna curl up and feel good. Alam mo yon. And these two shows talagang, yun nga, it is what as they advertise it talaga. Parang healing talaga siya. So, parang ang sarap lang ng pakiramdam pag pinapanood mo siya. Parang nanonood ka lang ng mga kabarkada mo. Tapos, alam mo yun, parang feeling mo kasama ka nila habang nag-i-enjoy sila. And I like the fact actually na wala sila sa city. So, they're outside. And you're with nature. Parang I think yun yung pinaka-draw sa akin. Kaya kung bakit kasi nare-relate to nature, to rains automatically. Because nature, alam mo yon. And I think in the Soup sa BTS, parang I think may scene din na, hindi pala, maaraw nun, pero parang meron silang water gun. So parang may rain.
Dahil mahilig naman magbasaan ang BTS.
Correct!
On stage
Correct,
or
correct.
off stage.
Correct, totoo yan. Pero like, di ba, parang ang sarap lang. Parang like, may feeling din na parang yung, as we mentioned nga earlier, na parang you're out in the rain, you're running around. There's like a childlike glee to it. And I can relate that feeling to that specific moment in
Yeah.
the soup. So,
Correct.
ayun. Mm-mm.
Yung parang, ang dami ko actually naisip kasi in the soup ng 17 talaga yung super favorite ko and ito rin yung isa sa mga may dahilan kung bakit ako naging carrot. Parang may dalawang scenes na biglang pumasok sa utak ko. Una, yung nagluto sila ng pageant, in the soup 1 ng 17, nagluto sila ng pageant, tapos biglang si DK was like, gusto ko kainin to by the stream para feel natin yung pageant. So, at hindi sila pumayag na by the stream lang, kailangan nila tumawid to the other side. Kasi may rocks para makatawid ka sa kabilang side. At doon kayo kakain at doon tayo iinom. Tapos habang kumakain sila, si Song Chol, parang ang dugyot-dugyot niya nung time na yun. Yung buhok niya, ang gulo-gulo. Tapos parang kinuha lang niya yung jacket na isa sa kanila kasi parang light clothes lang yung suot niya. So parang medyo oversized ang pangalan. Sabi nila, alam mo, Chol, mukha kang taga-bundok. Ikaw yung nakatira dito sa bundok na nag-offer sa amin ng pageant. Tapos nakiskit naman si Chol na parang, sige, uwi na ako Tapos umakit siya. Yung gano'n. Sobrang funny yan. Naalala ko. Kasi yung gano'n parang with the sound of the stream. Yung parang gano'ng klaseng childishness nila na childlikeness, I guess, na sobrang love na love ko. And yung isa talaga nung gumawa sila nung In the Soup song ng 17.
Correct.
Even the song is perfect for the mood, for a rainy day,
For a rainy
like just
day.
that kind of
Yes.
vibe.
I was rewatching it kanina actually. And then, parang syempre nasa subs, diba, nung ini-invento lang nila. Oy, si Dino yung bidang-bida dun sa nila.
Correct.
Sa paggawa nila ng song, diba?
I know.
Siya yung tinawag
Correct,
nila
correct.
para
I know.
mag-top line. Parang isa dun sa mga lyrics is like, it's okay even if it's rain, I have an umbrella for you. May ganun, something like that. May ganun lyrics sa-
So
Oo.
perfect. I love it
know.
so much.
Naalala ko lang kasi there was a night that they kind of got emotional about their lives, their their situation at that time. So kaya the song felt extra healing kasi
Yes.
kahit sila parang may pinanggagalingan yung words na yun.
Yes.
Nakaka-mention lang nila sa isa't isa kaya ang ganda-ganda. Like tuwan-tuwa ako sa episode na yun. I'll never forget it.
Yeah, my favorite as well because hindi yata. Okay, sobrang my favorite din yon as well. And coming from pandemic, so meron silang gigil to perform because they haven't seen Carrots in the longest time. Puro online lang sila. Tapos parang, meron nga silang mga lyrics na parang, gosh, how hard is their life? Kasi parang, even if you sleep in, it's okay. Even,
Oo.
parang, yung mga ganun, parang,
Oo.
gosh, so sobrang they've been working so hard that sleeping in seems like something that's
A
not
mistake.
allowed.
Oo.
Oo, 'di ba? Pero parang in this space, they're allowed to do that.
Yeah.
Ang ganda-ganda ng song na yun.
They just kept on
I-release nyo nga.
sleeping. Oh.
Gawa nyo na yung music video. Yung ginawa nyo nga yung Bad Influence
They
eh.
released it.
Meron
They
silang
released it
in
on
the soup
YouTube.
version na
Oo.
MV.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
parang basically lahat ng mga sinabi nila, parang yun din yung ginagawa nila yun. Parang, what do you think about working out twice a day? Parang may ganun sa lyrics, di ba?
Correct,
Sobrang
correct.
cute.
Pero yung favorite memory ko pa rin dun yung when they freaking made a brick oven for their tomahawk.
Yes.
Na dun ako na pa, okay, Mingyu, kasi siya yung naka-figure out kung bakit hindi sumisindi yung fire. Kasi
Yes.
kulang ng air
Air
flow.
pockets, yeah.
Ng air pocket. So, nagtik-tik siya doon ng brick para
Correct.
magkaroon ng ano. Tapos parang doon ako na pa, hey, you're so smart. You're so sexy smart. Parang gano'n.
Correct.
Yun is parang, nakakatawa yun. Kasi diba, parang, we came from BTS in the soup. Tapos tuwang-tuwa na tayo na nagluluto sila. And then, cut to
Oo.
17 Cooking, parang,
They make their
ganun
own.
kagaling magluto ng BTS.
Ramyun lang talaga yung extent.
Yung mga luto-luto ng barbecue, ganyan.
Oo,
Hanggang doon lang
mga
pala.
isda lang na isusushi pero pangit ng hate, ng hiwa, ganyan.
Parang appreciate them, alam mo yun. And sobrang like, since they were the first to do it, parang like, ang ganda rin na they kind of ushered in what
Yeah.
in the soup is all about. And parang, kumbaga, parang dinagdagan lang din ng 17 when they did theirs. So.
Okay, I can talk forever. I love In
I
the
know.
Soup. May final
Oo.
words
In the
ba
Soup.
kayo?
Okay naman ang In the Soup. By the way, there's, iba pang In the Soup. TXT also had an In the Soup. and Wuga
meron
Squad.
na. Tapos
yeah.
na.
Oh, I think if tama
Yung sa
maalala
Wuga
ko.
Squad nga.
Tapos may Wuga Squad din. So,
Oo, hindi ko talaga natapos yung Wuga Squad.
Ako din.
Ako
medyo
natapos
naboring
ko
ako.
naman siya.
Hindi ko siya
May,
matik.
yung sa Wuga Squad, parang meron more of Wushik. May isang moment. There's always like a heart-to-heart night. And then they had one like that. Tapos parang medyo na din ako kay Wushik. Kasi parang he was saying something about quitting. So, medyo na ako nun. Natakot. Parang, please don't quit. But at the same time, but I understand.
No.
And alam niyo naman, mahal na mahal ko si Wushik. So, parang, concerned talaga.
Naging fireman din ba siya? Parang si Dex.
Sana next in the soup, 97 liners. Let's go. Please, make it happen.
Or sana
Shit!
girl group
Sobrang
naman.
daming hot.
May girl group version kaya ng In the Soup. I mean, it doesn't have
Sinong
to be
gusto
the In the
ninyong
Soup.
panoorin?
Twice. That would be fun. Cat's Eye, feeling ko maingay lang sila. I love you girls, I really do. Pero feeling ko maingay lang sila. Someone a bit
Meron ka?
older. Kaya twice yung naisip.
Yeah, twice seems
Oo.
fun. Parang napanood ko yung Le Seraphim before. Parang they had like a little
correct.
version of theirs. Pero not necessarily in the soup. Pero parang ganoon din yung vibe. Tapos doon ko
Oo.
na-realize na nakakatuwa pa rin Sakura.
Nakakatawa
Sakura.
siya. Nakakatawa siya.
Nakakatawa pala, nakakatawa pala
Nakakatawa siyang
siya.
tao.
As in,
Yeah.
sobrang...
May sarili siyang mundo.
Oo, I am amused by her. So yun. Doon ko nakita yung personality nila. Parang gano'n. So, maybe from the newer group siguro sila, Le Seraphim, if they're gonna do something like that.
Sa mga sarang base, kung meron kayong gustong makita sa In the Soup at alam nyo namang pinapanood kami ng Hive at minomonitor nila kami, paki-comment, pakilagay
Naka-flag.
dyan.
Minomonitor
Oo,
kasi ano?
pakilagay sa comment section para malaman nila, makarating sa kinauukulan at mangyari ito. So those are our rainy day recommendations para sa mga sarang base na meron din kayong mga gustong panoorin kapag umuulan or gustong i-enjoy, pakinggan. Please let us know, send us a DM or comment down below para mabasa natin yan at pag-usapan natin lahat itong mga bagay na ito kapag umuulan. Okay, and dahil hindi naman kami natatapos ng hindi nag-game, eto na ang time para gawin namin yan. But before we start with the game, may question muna ako sa inyo. Bigyan niyo ako ng names ng 3 tao na gusto ni... Okay, let's be specific. 3 lalaki sa Hallyu na gusto ninyong makasama kapag umuulan.
Si DK, Sonsuku. Hindi ko siya masyadong
Yes.
bagay. Pangit na show niya eh. Pangit
Uy,
ng
ang galing niya sa
Heavenly-
9 puzzle.
Oo, pero kasi yung
Sobrang
last ko
galing
kasi
niya.
napanood niya yung Heavenly Yours. Ano yung
Ah,
Heavenly Yours?
Oo.
Helen.
Oh.
Oo. Tsaka nun. Anyway, sige, siya. And
So,
one
si
last.
Sonsuko nga.
Oo. Sukushi na lang. Since nandiyan na siya. My God, putang ina magkakamukha silang 3. May type talaga ata ako.
Si Sangyi.
Oo.
Oh, si Lee Jun hindi nakasali. Sorry, Lee Jun.
Sorry, Lee
For
Jun.
another day.
Okay na tayo. Hindi ko naman siya type masyado. Hindi ko siya bias.
Ikaw, Mon.
Si Dino, of course. Wushik, of course. And then, I think ang last is Park Bogum for
Okay.
randomness.
Okay.
Tsaka parang
Grabe,
cute niya
sobrang
Ang
pogi.
cute niya lately. Ang
Sobrang
Have you seen him
pogi.
these days? He's so
Grabe.
cute these days.
2 days, 1 night. Sobrang
As
cute niya
in,
doon.
Oh my God, bagong gising.
Oo.
Yung bagong gising na ang pogi pa rin. Tapos yung mga shot niya natutulog, ang pogi matulog.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Tapos diba he's been promoting he has a new show?
Yeah,
so he's kind of
yung
everywhere.
kasama niya si Sangyi. Yes.
Parang, what the hell? Why are you so good looking these days? Ayun
As
lang.
in,
So, kaya
medyo
syempre,
intense.
sasama ko na siya sa ulan.
Sama mo siya. Sa akin, syempre, kasama naman dyan si Hoshi. At syempre, kasama din dyan si Sungchol. At ang pangatlo, oh my God, Im-si-wan o Jung-hae-in? Pili ka, Pia. Okay, Jung-hae-in. Okay. So, ayan ang 3 mga gusto naming makasama kapag umuulan. At dahil nabigay niyo na sa akin ang mga pangalan, it's time to play our game. And our game is called Sulong, Payong, or Come On. Yan ang pangalan ng ating game.
Sulong,
so, anong
Payong,
ibig
or
sabihin
Come
nito?
On.
So, ganito ang magiging situation. So,
Okay,
umuulan.
okay.
So, sino sa tatlong ito yung sulong? Dedma, hayaan mo siyang sumulong sa ulan mag-isa.
Okay.
Pangalawa, payong. Bibigyan mo siya ng payong.
Okay.
At pangatlo, come on. Ay, mag-share tayo ng payong together. Yun si come on. Here, sabi, bigyan mo lang ng payong. Bala ka na dyan. Maghihintay ako dito hanggang matapos yung ulan. Sa'yo na yung payong ko. Ganon.
Tapos yung isa, hayaan ko lang siya sumulong.
Oh, hayaan mo lang siya. Wala
Pabayaan
kang
ko
paki sa
lang
kanya.
siya.
Mabasa ka
Okay.
dyan sa ulan.
Okay.
Ganon.
Okay.
Okay, so after namin magagaybo, the order would be Mon, Chancy, and then me. So mauna na si Monica. So sino ang sulong, payong, or come on mo? Kay Dino, Wushik, tsaka kay Bogum.
Ang sulong ay si Wushik kasi feeling ko susulong talaga siya. Tapos tatawa lang siya na ganon.
Masaya
So,
siyang...
masaya siyang sumulong. So, okay, sulong ka lang. Payong, parang kailangan payungan si Bogum. Kasi, ang features niya, like, baka masira ko or something. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo siya papayungan, bibigyan mo siya ng payong.
Bibigyan ko siya ng payong.
Oh my
Kasi
gosh.
syempre, ang come on ko ay si Dino. Always and forever.
Anong situation? Pakikwento, please walk us through the moment ninyo ni Dino na nag-come on sa payong.
Ano kaya maganda? Kunwari naglalakad ako, tapos, shucks, teka lang. My creative brain is like not, it's giving me,
Na-shock.
na-shock.
Bigla.
Kasi ang daming permutation, bigla. Teka lang. Pero feeling ko, parang gusto ko, nagkita kami, dapat party. Para para nagbihis ako. I mean, gets. Hindi siya like
Oo.
normal, whatever. Normal day.
Not a
So,
convenience
medyo,
store run,
oo.
ganon.
Or, alam ko, dapat naka-skirt ako. Dapat naka-dress. Para may onting, oh no! Ganon. Kasi hinangin yung skirt ko. Para, akbayin niya ako. No. It's okay. Para may akbang. Tapos share ng payong. Parang ganon. Tapos pwedeng by the sea.
Parang hometown cha-cha-cha.
Diba?
Oh
Parang
my
cute.
God.
Parang it's that kind of crosswalk. Tapos dagat yung background.
So may
ganon.
Dolomite.
Ay, wag naman.
Manila Bay, ganun.
Wag doon, mabaho.
Oo,
pero,
doon, wag doon.
kilig.
Yeah.
Okay, ito na ang mga rainy day delulus. Para sa mga delulus ninyo, please send them over as well.
Oh my gosh.
O ikaw, Trancy, sulong, payong, or come on? Yung come on ni Monica, iba sa palda niya dinala, hindi sa payong.
Pinasok mo sa
Ganun yung
palda si
skirt.
Dino?
Ano naman? Excuse me, demure ako. Nakapalda ka eh. And by palda, pag sinasabi mo kasi yung palda, ibig sabihin mahaba. Hindi siya,
Mahaba.
diba? Hindi siya short
Ano,
skirt. Hindi siya
uniform,
mini skirt. So, demure tayo, demure.
Demure. Okay.
Oo, tama. Mm-mm.
So, Trancy, DK,
Ako.
Sonsuku, and Lee Sang-yi.
Sorry,
Sulong, payong,
can I
or
just
come
point
on?
out na lahat sila S? Sukushi, Sang-yi, Sokmin.
Sokjin. Sokjin.
Sokjin.
Sokmin. Sokjin.
Sokjin, si Jin.
Why not?
Oh, diba?
Correct.
Lahat sila S for tsunami. Okay, yung sa akin, ang sulong ko, pero may additional chever tong sulong.
Okay.
May add-on. So, baha, di ba?
Ay, baha!
Hindi naman sobrang lila. Yung
Nasa
saktong
Pilipinas
parang
tayo.
high paddle, gano'n. Hindi pong high paddle. So, mahirap mag-cross kasi may high paddle.
Okay.
Pero hindi naman ako, sorry. Hindi
Hanggang bewang.
hanggang bewang levels.
Okay.
Yung tumitirik na yung mga sasakyan. Wala pa naman tayo doon.
Okay.
Okay, so ang susulong, dahil kailangan din natin siyang parusahan for heavenly yours. Heaven. is Sukushi. Pero ang catch is, susulong siya. Pero, nakasakay ako. Kasi, para makarating din ako sa kabilang side. Siya yung pasusuloy. Siya yung
twist. Okay.
Oo, malaki rin kasing katawan niya. Matangkad pa
matangkad
siya,
siya.
diba?
Oo. Okay.
So yun, so buhat niya ako. So medyo kilig pa din, 'di ba?
Okay.
Pero siya lang yung sumulong. Yung
Okay.
papayungan ko si Sang-yi.
Bibigyan ng payong.
Bibigyan ko ng payong si Sang-yi.
Oo.
Kasi parang wala lang. Wala siyang payong eh. As a nice person, I'll give him payong.
Okay.
Parang ano pa lang naman kami, itong relationship na to medyo starting out pa lang. So, parang I'm trying my best to look good. So, that's why I'm gonna give him payong. So, yun yung
Tas
reason
may
kung ba't ko siya
parang
papayungan.
respect, individual independence. Parang ganon.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo. Bibigyan ko siyang payong, pero may payong din ako. So, sabay kami maglalakad together.
Correct.
While talking.
Ang daming twist na mga ginawa mo.
Clown boy story, diluluhan, di ba?
Okay.
Pero syempre, ang come on ko, tangina talaga, hindi nagbabago yung mga sagot natin eh. Guys, sana hindi kayo nagsasawa pero si Sokmin.
So, ano ang situation?
So, ang situation namin ito, actually, hindi ko pa
Gusto
alam.
ko yung meron na, akala
Oo.
ko parang
Sorry.
kompleto na kanyang plotline.
Ngayon ko palang iniisip. So, yung situation namin is, alam ko na, Jasmine. If you know, you know.
Oh, no! Jasmine!
Jasmine! Yun. Yun ang situation namin.
Tsunami nga kasi.
With an S. Tapos sabi ko, Jasmine, come on, Jasmine. Let's share the payong. Ganyan. Tapos si Sokmin yung lumabas. Tapos parang ako like, okay. Sure. Jasmine, stay there. Ganun. Tapos na, tsunami.
Ako na pinahirapan ko yung sarili ko. Hoshi, Sungchol, Hein. Okay, sulong siguro si Hein kasi matanda na siya eh. Parang kaya na niya yan.
Akala ko bibigyan mo
Kasi
siyang
dalawa-
payong kasi matanda na siya, baka ubuhin.
Hindi ko naisip yun.
Oo nga.
Pero parang, kaya na niyan. Tsaka sa kapugian niya, feeling ko kahit na, merong
The rain will
dadating.
Anong
alam
may
mo may
dadating?
may
Or may
force
dadating,
field.
papayungan na siya. dahil kay Pogi siya.
Correct. Oo.
Or alam mo yung rain hanggang dito lang kasi merong force field na.
Hindi
siya pwedeng
mabasa.
Hindi pwede kasi
Oo.
masyadong pogi. Ganon.
Correct. Oo.
I guess so. Hein, kaya mo na yan. Ganon.
Oo.
Ang aking bibigyan ng payong si Hoshi. Parang, go, Hoshi. Alam kong hindi mo kayang mag-survive mag-isa
Oo.
sa mundo. I don't know. So, bigyan na siya ng payong. Kaya na niya yan. And sure akong ayaw niya ng ka-share sa payong. Or more of, ayaw niya akong i-sharean ng payong. So, go lang. Ang sharean ko ng payong si Sungchol. Pero hindi ako maghahawak ng payong siya kasi kakapit ako sa braso niya.
Ganon. Tama yan.
Ang sarap ng kapit ko. Parang yung buong katawan ko pwede nang kumapit sa braso niya. Ganun.
Oo, girl, hindi tsaka baha. So, kailangan nakaangat din yung paa mo. So,
Oo,
pinapayungan
correct.
ka niya, pero nakakapit ka rin sa kanya parang
Oh, parang
tarsier.
like a koala. Ganyan.
Oo.
Yan ang aming mga gagawin sa mga Sarang Base. Paki-share ang inyong mga rainy day dululu. Sino ang inyong gustong bigyan ng payong? Sinong hahayaan yung maglakad sa ulan? At sinong share ninyo ng payong? Sulong, payong, or come on. Thank you so much for tuning in to our episode. And if you haven't yet, please follow us on our socials. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you're enjoying our content, we would love your support. Please hit that follow button and give us 5-star reviews on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Your feedback helps us grow and brings more amazing content your way. Thank you, you're the best. Gumawa, Chagoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarang hey!
Thanks, guys! Keep dry! Okay.
So, after ninyong maglakad sa ilalim ng payong na magkasama ng mga pinili nyo, puro sebongis, Parang, buti lang hindi isang bahay nakatira tong mga pinili natin. DK,
Magkikita
Dino,
tayo sa ano?
and Sungchol. Sa Hive.
Oo.
Doon pala papunta.
Hive.
Manager pala tayo.
Oo.
Sa Hive.
Kaya pala may payong. Palabas pala sila ng sasakyan. Magkocross eh.